One of the characteristics associated with the national heritage of the Turkmen people is tamdır. Tamdır can be seen in every courtyard of Turkmen houses. This method of baking bread is unknown. It is possible to determine that when it appeared. Perhaps it appeared after people learned to sow and grind wheat. Much has changed over thousands of years, but the ovens in which the bread is baked have not changed their original shape. Arvan, wool sachak, intended for storing bread baked in tamdır, is considered an integral part of the national treasure. Museums are a source of historical information. Archaeological values telling about the different historical stages, culture and life of Turkmen people are carefully kept in the museums of the country. The museum displays a Turkmen tamdır. In our program, we'll talk about tamdır. In the prosperous epoch of the powerful state under the leadership of the esteemed President, museum business is dynamically developing along with other national sectors. The Turkmen people have a long history. The preservation of historical monuments and folk crafts for future generation is an important work. Museums allow us to learn about ancient and modern history through the antiquities and artifacts on display. Each nation has its own customs and traditions.
Qoloydaqı tariximizi, şunki eşretli turmuşumuza aqıl yetirmäne ulum mümkinçilikler berýär. Her bir halkyň däp desurlarynda, edim gylynda, el hünärinde düýpli aýratylyklar var.
Berqarar döwletiň bagtýarlyk döwrüne.
Under the leadership of the esteemed President, important historical events and holidays taking place in the country. Significant changes are taking place in all sectors of the country. Thanks to the efforts of the esteemed President, great opportunities have been created in the country for the development and study of national art, culture, and folklore. The Akbodai National Museum in Ano is a science center. The museum displays tools of labor of 19th-20th centuries.
Hocalyk atly bölümünde görýärsiňiz bu ýerde bir näçe tapyndylar ýerleşýär.
By visiting this museum, you can see a variety of agricultural tools and household items that our ancient ancestors used in their daily lives. This museum has a tamdır for baking bread.
Görmek ýynlamak bolýar. Ha bu ýerde görşüňiz ýalyk hem biziň ene mamalarymyzyň ýörite bele myslyk çöregini bişirmek üçin ulanylan mukaddes tamdyryny hem görmek bolýar.
Tamdyr türkmen halkynyň arasynda mukaddes.
Tamdır is considered sacred by the Turkmens, and it explains its use for making bread. Turkmen highly value tamdır. According to popular beliefs, the Turkmens perform a ritual by passing the tamdır when difficulties arise. At the bottom of the tamdır, there is a hole through which fire is kindled and ash is removed.
Tamdır salnanda ilk bilen onun yerini anyklap, gowy toprakly yeri sähetligini başlapdyr. Tamdır ýasalanda körük uly ähmiýete bolupdyr. Ol ot yanan wagtynda şonuň sönmezligi üçin hem de külünü şo ýerden almak üçin niýetlenipdir.
Biziň ene mamalarymyz tamdyry
Before creating a tamdır, you need to carefully approach the issues of choosing a suitable place for it. After choosing a suitable place, the construction of a new tamdır begins. Tamdır is being created within a few days. First, the soil intended for tamdır is crushed and mixed with salt, straw and water, and this mixture is left for several days. After the clay mixture is ready, the construction of the tamdır begins. The straw makes the tamdır strong. After the completion of work on the creation of the tamdır, a quiet fire is lit for a while. According to the Turkmen beliefs, bread cooked in a new oven should be distributed to neighbors. The appearance of the tamdır is decorated with a gochok ornament. Turkmen believe that performing the rite of the circumambulation around the tamdır brings success in business.
içindäki odun pes ýagdaýda ýakylyp goýulypdyr. Haçanda täze tamdyr taýin bolandan soňra täze tamdyra bişen çöregi goňşy golama paýlanypdyr. Türkmen tamdyryň ýüzüne elbetde goçogyň şekli ýerleşdirilipdir.
Ýa durmuşa çykan
For the first time, a young woman baked bread in a tamdır under the supervision of experienced women who helped with her advice.
ýanda ýardam etse, şol gelinem döwletli gelin bolýar diýip anam edýärler.
Biziň ene mamalarymyz ýörüýär.
When making bread in tamdır, women use special tools such as kendirek, oklov, repide, dürtgüç. First, the kendirek is covered to work with the dough. Then the dough is prepared by mixing water, flour, salt and special dough. The dough is left to ferment for a while. After good fermentation, the dough is divided into several parts. Then the dough is rolled out and decorated with patterns using a special device. The bread is then placed on a special baking pillow called a rape. Then a dough is applied to a hot tamdır. After the bread is ready, it is taken out of the oven and poured over with the water for a shiny crust. So, fragrant Turkmen bread is ready.
Yüzü dürtgüç bilen dürtülýär. Ondan soňra çöregiň yüzü repidäniň yüz tarapyna bakdyrylyp goýulýar. Hamiryň arka tarapyna bolsa suw çalynyp, haçan gozgan
Turkmens believe that the taste of bread cooked in a tamdır over a fire differs from other types of bread. Turkmen women prepared small bread for the children, which they distributed to the neighbor children.
çöregi taýin bolýar. Tamdyrda ýannygyň oduna bişirilen çöregiň elbetde tagamy ütköşük bolupdyr diýilip hasaplanylýar. Biziň ene mamalarymyz ýörüýte çağalar üçin hem kiçik görnüşindäki çörekleri hem bişiripdirler. Her bir maşgalanyň öýüniň çağalaryna paýlanylypdyr.
Biziň milli gymmatlyklarymyzy aýagy saklap.
I wish the same President sound health, longevity and success in government activities for the benefit of the Turkmen people and for the prosperity of the country.
Üçün Mehriban arkadağımıza köp sağ bolsun aýdýar. Mehriban arkadağımyzyň jany sağ bolsun. Alyp barýan tutumly işleri, ýyl wähbetli ýurt ähmiýet tutýan tutumly işleri elmydamy rawaç bolsun.
Biziň milli mirasymyzy
I would like to thank the esteemed President for the ample opportunities provided to us popularize Turkmen culture and art. I wish the esteemed President sound health, longevity and government activities for the benefit of the Turkmen people and for the prosperity of the country. I congratulate the esteemed President and the Turkmen people on the 26th anniversary of Turkmenistan's neutrality.
Taraplarymyzyň 26 ýyllyk toýu bilen hormatly prezidentimizi, ähli türkmen halkymyzy tüýs ýüregimden gutlaýaryn.